Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. I'm still in Sri Lanka. I'm coming back to India only tomorrow evening. So maybe another 1 or 2 times I may have to do audio podcast. Coming back to the market, US market was in consolidation mode, just like Indian market. So yesterday, though markets made a very big move on either side, but on a close to close basis, it was almost flat. And same thing happened in US also. Asian markets also, there is nothing to speak much about it. GIFT Nifty indicating about 40-45 points gap down. That is expected because in the last half an hour, 1 hour, the market recovered from the lows, and also it is disheartening to see FIA started selling once again. The reason why the market went up yesterday, number one, on Friday, FIAs have turned net buyers. That's for about 2,500 crore. And number two, ICICI Bank results, it triggered some sort of short covering in banking stocks. But the banking stocks were too volatile. On the day of the budget, in just in one 5-minute candle, Bank Nifty fell about 600 points. Then after that, recovered again falling, recovered again falling. Banking stocks generally looking very weak. In fact, among the cyclicals, it's only auto index that is doing well. So except auto index, other indices are not doing well. It is only the defensives that are doing well. Look at FMCG index, pharma index, IT index. So these are the defensive indices that are doing well. So that leads to a suspicion that the market's upside may be very, very limited. So usually in a bull market, cyclicals do well. In a bear market, defensives do well. So when IT and pharma are doing, IT, pharma and FMCG are doing well, that means the overall health of the stock market may not be really very good. So in that sense, somehow I feel that 25,000 may be a resistance for the short term. And of course, for the weekly, I still maintain that 25,200 is the upper end and 24,500 is the lower end. But still, the way markets were sold off the moment it was trying to touch 25,000, so that makes us to think 25,000 may be the immediate support. And also looking at the open interest, yesterday 25,000 call option added huge open interest. Even the monthly options, of course, monthly option, it is very difficult to predict because this is a very, very long series. And moreover, 25,000 short straddle, that is trading closer to about 700 points for monthly series. So that makes the trading range 24,300 on the downside, 25,700 on the upside. So probably this is because of the people who are taking short straddle. And moreover, earlier people who have taken 24,500 short straddle, now maybe they are averaging it by taking another straddle at 25,000. So because yesterday morning the markets were bullish. So overall today, I'm not expecting any big move on either side. And of course, market can be volatile and stock specific actions may continue and PSU banks may come under focus because SBI coming out with results in another 2 to 3 days. And yesterday, while banking stocks were very bad, but PSU bank index was very good. So the theme is going to be defensives. In fact, I'm expecting defensives to do well even over a period of next 4 to 5 months. In fact, in Tamil media channel, I came out with an interview saying that markets are going to be in a challenging period for the next 4 to 5 months. Because of many state elections and so on. So maybe this is not the time to talk about the politics, because it's a very, very long topic. And so clearly For the next few days, 25,000 is the resistance. And if that is taken out, market may quickly go to 25,500. So you may remember my box theory, 24,000 to 24,500. So that is where most of the trading sessions it was trading last month. Occasionally, once or twice, it broke on the higher side. So that means the bias is on the upside, but it is consolidation. So the same way now we can say the trading range, the box is 24,500 to 25,000. Occasionally it may even take out 25,000 on the higher side, but it will come back. So if once decisively crossed, then maybe we can think of the next box 25,000 to 25,500. But I don't think that anytime soon that is going to happen. However, corporate results can make things change. In US also, so this week a lot of key companies, Apple, Amazon, those kind of tech heavyweights, they are declaring the results. Accordingly, those markets will react. So accordingly, our market will also react. So as I told you, this is a tug of war. FIAs keep selling, DAs keep buying, and both have the power. FIAs still having huge amount of shares to sell, DAs still having huge amount of money to buy those shares. So therefore, I always say traders don't make money in bull market because markets will move both sides very, very violently. And also remember, I used to say bull market corrections are fast and furious. See the way Bank Nifty was falling 1,100 point in 3 5-minute candle. In 15 minutes, Bank Nifty fell 1,100. So that's why yesterday many intraday traders could not make profit. So let us see where the market opens. There is nothing special today to talk. And moreover, I am also enjoying my holiday, not spending too much time in analyzing the market. So we will improve our analysis today evening or tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.